Wow. Oh my god, it's actually made of metal. Ooh, it's heavy. That's amazing. Well, here it is. My silver play button. It just feels so surreal right now to have this in front of me, but I do want to say thank you to each and every one of you, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be making videos, and of course I wouldn't have this in front of me. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for subscribing to me, leaving me comments, really sweet comments, and supporting this channel and helping me reach this milestone. So thank you so much. I will continue to make videos and make tutorials for you guys, so please look forward to my future videos. Make sure to like and subscribe and all that stuff. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.